My name is Atul Bhoye. Today is my presentation topic liner pair programming and contents introduction, history and application, liner programming model, an example of liner programming problems and graphical solution to liner programming problem, sensitivity analysis. First, introduction. Liner programming is a menu. Liner programming is a mathematical modeling technique used to determine a level of operational activity in order to achieve an objective. Mathematical programming is used to find the best or optimal solution to a problem that require a decision or set of decision about how best to use a set of limited resources to achieve a state goal of objective. Step involved in mathematical programming: conversion of states problem into mathematical model that abstract of the essential elements of the problem, exploration of different solution of the problem, and find out the most suitable or optimal solution. Liner programming required that all the mathematical function is the model of liner functions. LP model formulation: decision variables. Mathematical syllabus offers representative level of activity of a operational objective functions. A liner relation a liner relationship reflecting the objective of a operational. Most frequent objective of business firm is to maximize profit. Most frequent objective of individual operational units, production or parking department, and constraint. A linear relationship represent a restriction on decision making. History of linear programming: it started in 1977 sorry it started in 1947 when G.B. Dentry designed the simplex method for solving linear programming. Formulation of US Air Force planning problem: it soon became clear that a sufficiently wide range of apparently unrelated problem in production management could be started in linear programming turn and solved by the simplex method. And application: the importance of linear programming: hospital management, debt management, manufacturing, finance, advertising, and agriculture. The Galaxy Industries production problem: a graphical analyze the feasible region, the search for an optimal solution. Summary of the optimal solution. Extreme point and optimal solution. Multiple optimal solutions. Sensitivity analysis of the optimal solutions. Is the optimal solution sensitivity to changes in input parameter? Possible reason for asking these questions. Parameter value used were only best estimates. Dynamic involvement may case changes. What is analyzed may provide economical and operational information. Sensitivity analyze to sensitivity analysis of objective functions certificate. Reference and thank you.